If you are watching this video, it means you want to learn how to start creating your video content. I assure you that you are in the right place. You need some basic skill and equipment to start creating content. That is what we are going to talk about in this video. In this video, I'll be telling you about 6 steps to accomplish your video creation dream. So don't miss any part of this video. Hey friends, I still have a long way to go, so I'm pleading that you should subscribe to my YouTube channel. I know you are about to subscribe. Please click the subscribe button. Alright, thank you for subscribing. So let's rock and roll. Before I started making video content, I thought making video content was something impossible for me. I worried about what kind of equipment to start with. Little do I know that I don't even need much to start with. Now let's talk about the steps. Step number 1, choose a niche. Choosing a niche is all about narrowing down your video to a specific category. You may choose to entertain people with your video, that is entertainment niche. You may choose to educate people with your video, that would be educational niche. If you want to talk about software, it is software niche, and so on. So stop ranking your head and choose one niche where you can do better. In my future video, I will talk about how you can choose a proper niche. Step number 2, research your video topic. The second thing you need to do after choosing a niche is to research your video topic. Seeing what other content creators have done in your topic will help you decide what works well, what you can improve on, and what you can do differently. In fact, YouTube is more than just a place to watch video. It is a gold mine of data, and you need to use it to your advantage. Search for videos similar to your content and then gather more ideas. While researching your topics, keep track of the following. 1. The type of video that gets views around your topic. 2. The length of your video. And 3. Thumbnail and video title. This will help your video meet a large number of people. Step number 3. Plan your video content. Video content typically tend to fall into one of these categories. 1. Education. 2. Entertainment. And lastly, awareness. Now that you've researched your video topic, ask yourself, what's the point? What is the goal of this video you are making? Who are my targeted audience? Where will the video be filmed? Will I need to write a script? Do I have the equipment to do this myself? Remember, you only have a few seconds to grab a viewer's attention. If they are hooked within the first 5 seconds to 10 seconds, you've got a strong chance of convincing people to watch your video in full. So asking yourself these questions will help you get them all to your videos. Step number 4. Get your filming equipment. Now that you have a plan in place, it is time to see what tools and equipment you need to bring your vision to life. Different type of video content call for different type of equipment. For example, a parodic music video has different need than the fashion blog. Don't panic because you only need little or no cost equipment to start with. Here are the list of some needed equipment, but not all are mandatory. 1. A camera. It could be your phone that you are using now. 2. A microphone. If you can't get one at the moment, Adobe Voice Enhancer will help. Watch this video above to learn how to use Adobe Audio Enhancer. 3. A tripod. You can get a low-cost one or construct one yourself. 4. Lighting. If there is no light, sunlight through your window can serve. And 5. Video editor. You can download that freely on the internet. This is a perfect list of equipment to start with. To be frank, I didn't even have all when I first started. Once you have your equipment ready, set your studio and start recording yourself. Learn how to boost your camera confidence in the video above. Step number 5. Edit your video. When you've recorded yourself, it is time to edit it. This is where you can clean up any mistakes you've made while recording and make your video more ready. Video editing software may be the most important equipment investment you have. It has the power to supercharge what you created for video platforms like YouTube and Facebook and turn it into a high quality engagement magnet. Removing unwanted parts and adding some effect give value to your video. So this part is what you should never joke with. Don't take it lightly, be serious about it. Also, take your time to edit your thumbnail and get a high-ranking title. Just put together a few things to spice your video up, but don't overdo it so it won't lose its taste. Step number 6, upload your video. You aren't making video for yourself, but for people to be educated, entertained, or create awareness. If you are done with editing your video, then upload it to your preferred platform, which could be YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, or Instagram, in ways to see the magic of proper planning of video content. Sharing the video with friends will increase engagement, and promoting the video will skyrocket it. So fill in this step to become a better video content creator. Hey friends, this video is a roadmap to start from where you are right now to making your video content dream a reality. The road might be tough, but you are stronger. So start now and don't give up. I put a lot of effort into creating this video, and so please, if you got any value from it, don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel so that you will be the first person to receive my video whenever it is being uploaded. So stay good and stay cool till we meet in the next video. Bye bye.